Then determine the weight of the barge, the buoyant force, and the volume of the displaced fluid. So, kanala na? Ito yung mga given mo? Given. Ano yung forma sa barge? Ang yung height, total height is 3 meters. Kami? Total height is 3 meters. But there is a problem. Assume that the barge is submerged at a depth drop 2 meters. Okay? 2 meters means D. And then the center of gravity G is located 2 meters from the bottom of the barge. So, sakto po ng center of gravity na niya G. 2 meters po center of gravity. And then at height h over 2 sakto nagdaling center of gravity sa tunga symmetrical na ni 4.5 meter from either side of the barge. Determine the weight, the buoyant force, and the volume displaced. Okay to my dimension. 2 meters. Volume displaced 9 times 2, 9 times 15 times 2. Ilan? So, 70 cubic meter. Then, para ma-solve ang buoyant force is unit weight na tubig na siya, water or seawater? Water lang. Buoyant force, unit weight times volume displaced. So, ito ba, kilonewton or newton ba? Newton lang. Kilonewton dapat. So, 9.81 kilonewton cubic meter times 270. Sila. 2648 kilonewton means kilonewton naman. And this is all equal to weight. Dimension of forces, vertical weight is equal to buoyant force. Okay, number 1, letter A. 2648.7 letter B. Determine the floating barge. Determine if the floating barge will be in a position of rotational stable equilibrium about its longitudinal axis if the barge is rotated 11 degrees, assumed to be a small rotational disturbance clockwise about y-axis. Same lang, yapon. Assume lang yapon ta. Assume na ta stable. Pag stable siya, moment niya is restoring moment, counterclockwise. Okay. Ito pa na ito niya. Ilan naman 11 degrees no? So ilan na naman. Buoyancy na din. Kung pila may difference nila. Ikabal naman ang buoyancy. Kung ano naman the over 2. This is 1 meter. Dito, for ang difference sa G, center of gravity of buoyancy is also 1 meter. So, sa ito yung mga formula to. Actually, restoring na siya, no? So, reaction na restoring counterclockwise. So, then it means nga mataas ang M. Assumption ka lang yan. So, natin yung point M. Yun natin, kung muna yung buoyancy original B ini siya, B prime na Then kan A distance na bulot. So, ito yung formula. BM is equals to GM or GM is equal to BM minus BG.
BM is equals to BG plus GM.
Oh, boleh na po. Basta makita sa picture. GM BM minus BG. Ano naman tayo value ng BG? 1 meter. Kanin BM, ano tayo formula to? IY over volume displaced. Then ang IY, ito na, nitakyo. Ipatuyok siya sa y-axis. So, klaro naman ka, kailan mo yun? B ini, dH. So, BH cube over 12, 15. H is 9. Cube over 12, volume displaced is 70. So, pila DM? 3.75 meters. And therefore, GM is positive or negative? Minus 1. 2.3 positive. That means ang assumption is correct. This is a restoring moment. So, ito ipakita, letter B. Determine if the floating barge will be... kano? Kung sa may conclusion na ito, kung siya, rotational stable ba siya? Yun sa ito pag-set. Since the GM is positive, therefore, the position of the barge is in rotational stable. And
Stable.
Karatanan along the equilibrium about the longitudinal axis 11 degrees. Then determine the magnitude and the type of movement. Kato ng movement na magnitude and type. O kabalo naman tayo, restoring na ni. Ang magnitude na lang. So ito, moment is equal to wave, sine, theta, times. Itong A distance. A distance kani. Distance ng G of B. Di na naman tayo value itong A distance. Wala pa rin sign. W times A, paano to? Eh kung i-resolve na yung sign, extract kami ng triangle. So that is opposite over hypotenuse, GM. So that is GM sine theta. So nakikita ni weight times GM sine theta. Weight na natin weight? Ilan weight? 2,648. Ilan nito ni? Times GM 2.375 meters. Sine angle 11 degrees. Ilan moment? 200. Kani? Ilan Newton? Meter. And that is restoring moment. Okay, busy ka?